Welcome, Shri VSV Rao. He is on mute. Yeah.
Good afternoon to everyone. It is a privilege to be part of today's event on Coway's entrepreneurship journey. We in SIDBI are very much excited with this particular initiative because the efforts of Coway are in reality turning the ideals of the government of India, by which the Stand Up India program was announced by the Honorable Prime Minister 4 years back. During these 4 years, the kind of efforts that Coway had put in is remarkable, and I fully appreciate and wish that with sustained efforts on the part of all the participants in Coway, the success will be much more. In fact, the success part can be from getting the financial assistance through the loan sanction by various public sector banks and others through the portals which have been designed for that, and also by the other credit plus initiatives which SIDBI and other players in the ecosystem are coming up with for providing hand-holding support and other kind of initiatives in this regard. In fact, the success stories of the women entrepreneurs will definitely encourage more women to come into the entrepreneurship and provide the requisite platform for them growing their businesses. It is now well established that women do not lag behind in entrepreneurial journey. There are many success stories. I do not wish to recall or take the names because the list will be too large and the list will keep on expanding in the coming years. I wish Coway all the best that they can do. And with reference to Madam Produturi's comments for enlarging the relationship between SIDBI and Coway, definitely we would be extending it. We will try to see how the further role can be enhanced apart from what we are presently doing. Mr. R.K. Singh and his team will take note of the suggestions made by Madam and others also in this program, because ideas can come from anyone. Please feel free to express, because this is the platform by which SIDBI also will be able to get inputs as to how further we can make these initiatives successful. With these remarks, I wish Coway all success in their future endeavors. Thank you.